Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting credentials and permissions ready. Make sure your Apple ID has two-factor authentication turned on, because Android needs an app-specific password to access Icloud services. Once done, generate that password on Appleid. Apple, COM for mail and calendar access. Then install a trustworthy card DAV/Cal DAV Sync app from the Play Store. This tool bridges iCloud contacts and calendars to Android. This step removes roadblocks so the phone can authenticate and keep data synced consistently. Now configure the Sync app to talk to iCloud. Select iCloud as the account type, then enter your Apple ID and the app-specific password you made earlier. Make sure contacts and calendars sync are enabled. If mail is needed, add your iCloud account to Samsung email using a map with that same app password. Next, set sync frequency, choose push or a short interval for near real-time updates, and pick two-way sync so changes on either device propagate back and forth. Finish by verifying that contacts and calendar entries appear in your Samsung apps. Trigger a manual sync in the Sync app to confirm. For mail, configure Samsung email using a map. Mail, me, COM and the app-specific password and set SMTP for outgoing. If something goes wrong, check three things first. Network connectivity, that the app-specific password is correct, and that the Sync app has contact/calendar permissions. If you still see problems, remove and re-add the account to force a fresh authentication handshake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.